Hello everyone, once again welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. So today I am here with a different topic that is very important. That is a special type of algebraic expression, that is polynomials. Or what type of algebraic expression is said to be polynomials? You have studied algebraic expression and types of algebraic expression, and the polynomials are also algebraic expression, but there are certain conditions to be satisfied for the algebraic expression to be polynomial. So we will see what are they. Look at the example. Here we will consider the polynomials or the algebraic expressions in one variable only. So look at the examples, these algebraic expressions. X cubed minus x plus 4x raised to minus 2. It is an algebraic expression. Another one, x raised to 1 upon 3 minus 2x square plus x. It is another algebraic expression. Another one, x plus 1 upon 3x plus 5. These algebraic expressions are not polynomials. They are not included in polynomial. Why? What is the reason? What you have to observe? Why they are not polynomials? You have to observe the indices. Indices you have studied? The indices of the terms are here 3, here 1 and here minus 2. Because of that minus 2, the variable x will go in denominator. X raised to minus 2 is 1 upon x square, right? So minus 2 is the index. Because of that, it is not a polynomial. That is, the index should not be negative. In the second example, the indices are 1 upon 3, 2 and 1. Because of this 1 upon 3, it is not a polynomial. That is, index should not be fraction. And here also x plus 1 upon 3x, because of this term, it is not a polynomial. Because the variable is in denominator, means its index is minus 1. Clear? A raised to minus m equal to 1 upon a raised to m. So x raised to minus 1 is 1 upon x. So index should not be negative. Index should not be fraction. So what should be index of the polynomial? It should be a whole number. When the index of the variable of the terms in the algebraic expression is whole number, then only that expression is called polynomials. So that is why these three expressions are not included in the polynomial. The example for polynomial, see, x raised to 5 minus 2x plus 3. It is a polynomial because the indices are 5, 1 and 3 means x raised to 0. When the constant only is there, you can write with variable as x raised to 0. So these indices 5, 1 and 0 are whole numbers. So that is the only condition for the algebraic expression to be polynomial. What is the condition? The index of the variable in the expression should be whole number. So remember, all the polynomials are algebraic expression. All that studied, binomial, trinomial, all are included in what? Polynomial when the index is whole number. And multiplication of monomial, multiplication of two binomial, everything is applicable for polynomials also. Clear? Now here we will consider the polynomials in one variable only. If that variable is x, it is expressed as p bracket x. It read as p of x. P of x. If the variables in the polynomial is x. If it is y, p of y. Only one variable is used. That case is we are considering. So there is an example. P of x equal to x square plus 2x minus x raised to 4 plus 2x. Look at the indices. Here 2, here 1, here 4, here 5 plus 2x raised to 5. So 2, 1, 4, 5. Which is the highest index? 5. So we can say that degree of the polynomial px is, in this example, is 5. So what is meant by degree of a polynomial? The highest index of the variable in the polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. Out of the indices, which is the highest one? So here in this polynomial, degree is 5. Now, in this polynomial, it is not, the terms are not in order, or it is not in the order of ascending or descending order of the indices. First x square, then x raised to 4, then 2x raised to 5. So there is a rule that it should arrange either in ascending order or descending order. Anyway, you can use, but we usually arrange in descending order. So if you arrange in that order, that form is, arranged form is called standard form. So how you will write this as standard form? Which should be, we are arranging in descending order of the powers. So 2x raised to 5 you have to write first. While writing the highest index and the term sign also you have to see. If it is minus, you have to write here minus 2x raised to 4, x raised to 5. Here plus only, so no need of sign in the starting. So how you will write this in standard form? 2x raised to 5, then you have to write minus x raised to 4, then plus x square, then plus 2x. No more terms, that is the standard form. So what is standard form? Write either in descending order or ascending order of the powers of the variable in the polynomial. That is the standard form. And here you can observe that some of the powers are missing. Here after 5, 4, then 3 is not there. Then 2, 1 and 0 is also not there. So we can include that also by keeping the coefficient 0. If you keep the coefficient 0, that term is 0. So, but we can write the polynomial with all the indices. Clear? So, here 3 is missing. So, I am rearranging that as 2x raised to 5 minus x raised to 4 plus 0x cube. Actually, this value is 0. So, that is a nice way of arranging. 0x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 0 x raised to 0. After index 1, 0. So, 0 x raised to 0 is 1. So, the last one is with 0 index. That value will be 1. This is the way of arranging by showing the all indices in ascending or descending order. This form is called index form. What it is? Index form. Understood the difference between standard form and index form? Standard form is only we arrange in ascending or descending order of the power. In index form, all the indices should be shown. If anything is missing, you have to write it with 0 coefficient. Now, from the index form, if you take out all the coefficient in order, that is, the coefficient of x raised to 5 is 2. Then put comma minus x raised to 4. The coefficient is minus 1. Here 0 x cube coefficient is 0. X square coefficient is 2x square. X square coefficient is 1. 2x coefficient is 2. And x raised to 0 coefficient is 0. In this way, in bracket, write all the coefficient in order. This form is called coefficient form. This form is called only coefficients we are showing. So, from the coefficient form, you can write the index form. What you have to do? How many coefficients you have to see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it is 6, it will be of degree 5. So, you have to start from here. 2x raised to 5 minus x raised to 4 plus 0x cube plus 1x square plus 2x plus 0. This way we can convert the coefficient form into index form also. So, write the index form into coefficient form. For that, what you have to do? Take out the coefficient. See, x raised to 4 minus 3x minus 2. So, you have to show all the indices. So, x raised to 4 is the highest one, 1. Then cube is not there, 0. Again, square is not there, so 0. Then 1, x raised to 1, the index is 3 and 2. Clear? Index is 3 and 2. In this way, you can convert index form into coefficient form and coefficient form into index form. Clear? So, that is all about polynomial. Today I want to explain what are the things, the condition for expression to be polynomial. Index should be whole numbers. Then degree of the polynomial. The highest index of the variable in the polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. Standard form. Write the polynomial either in ascending order or descending order of the powers of the variable. Index form. Index form is arranging the terms by showing all the indices with 0 coefficient. And coefficient form, take out all the coefficients from the index form and put in bracket separated by comma. And we can convert index form into coefficient form and coefficient form into index form. That is the end of today's lesson. More about polynomials we can learn in the next class. Thank you for watching this lesson. See you next week with new topic. Please share and forward as much as possible. Also subscribe the channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you. Thank you.